Jordan Trunner LX Brown Kelp brings back a legendary early 2000s cross-training design, blending stability, lightness, and modern craftsmanship in one standout silhouette. Its multi-level upper features cargo khaki, brown kelp, and velvet brown layered with coarse mesh and woven textiles, creating a bold 3D texture that instantly draws attention. Subtle wild mango accents cut through the earthy palette, adding a sharp and memorable contrast. A flexible midfoot strap enhances lockdown, while the reinforced side panels act like a sturdy frame, giving the shoe structure and precision. The curved midsole flows smoothly around the foot for comfort, and the thick patterned outsole, with a hint of orange at the center, adds traction and an energetic pop. Blending heritage DNA with modern detailing, the Trunner LX Brown Kelp stands out as both a performance trainer and a statement lifestyle sneaker. Its rich textures, layered tones, and rugged aesthetic make it a must-watch release for sneaker fans seeking depth, presence, and undeniable style.